Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $260.66 worth of goods, and it was all said and done. They paid me $42.05. So I'm gonna be doing this every week on the first day of the sale, uploading a video. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do them the rest of the week. Today's March 4th, and these deals will be good March 4th to March 10th. Um, and yeah, so I was fortunate. I was able to do this because I had $5 off of 30. So I did this in 5 transactions. So if you wanted to just do one transaction, you could use this 10 off of 50 or well over $50. And it would come out to $177.49 for the goods, and you get paid around $22.10. So I'm fortunate. There's 8 Publix within 15 minutes drive of me, so I'm able to hit them all up, one store after another, just barely going over $30 each time. So I used manufacturer coupon, a bought and I used a rebate. So I'm gonna get right into the 9 different items I got here. Let's start with the Tena Pads. Everybody knows about this. There's a big coupon for that, $4 off from the Smart Source from February 28th. So this is how you win on this. So you got to go over $30. So to do that, you got to buy 10 of them. So if you're fortunate to buy done, good luck. You know, it might be hard to find 10 of them in a store, but you can go to customer service, ask them when the next truck's coming in, and well, you can get them maybe. So if you get over 10 of them, you will qualify for spending $30 in one transaction, getting another $10 rebate on there. And I've got all the links below the video on how to print the coupons, what insert, the breakdown, everything is below the video, very detailed, and it have that link to that $10 rebate that you got. So you're allowed to use 8 coupons. You get 10, you can buy 10, but you can allow to use 8 coupons, and then you're going to get $10 back. The coupon's strong, you're going to get $10 back. It's worth it to buy 10 instead of 8. So let's get what else we got into it. We got the Dunkin' Donuts cereal. I talked about this a couple days ago when I got them, and it reset in Nevada. So there's $1.50 off printable. I got it right below. You can find that link to print it, and there's 50 cents on Ibotta. And you can get, there's both flavors are on Ibotta, so you can get 8 and redeem 4 on each. Now, let's get into this. Carbona pet cleaner, $5.39, with tax a little more, maybe $5.70, $5.80. But anyways, there was $1 hang tag on these, so I was lucky to find that. And then there's $2 on Ibotta on each one. Made those a moneymaker as well. You can also do that with these guys here. These are the same thing, $1 hang tag on there. They're on Ibotta, you get $2 back on those, a little more. These are $5.59, so about $6, pretty much breaking even. What else we got? Dr. Pragers, these are on Ibotta, $3.33 BOGO, $1.50 and $1.50. They made them 33 cents for 2. As I said, I'm always boiling up to that 30, so I can get that off. So what else we got? The Truvia. This is kind of a deal. It keeps resetting in Ibotta. It's reset 3 times now. It's $1.50 Ibotta back and $1.50 manufacturer coupon from the January 3rd Smart Source. So very little paid for that. Here's another one. Advil was $4.49 with $2 off from the extra savings and $1.50 off from the save, which was the retail me not. So that was $4.49 with $3.50 off, makes it 99 cents. Got these guys. These are $5.19, and you got $3 off from the extra savings, $2 printable. You got the link below to print that. So $5.19, 5 off. These are 19 cents each. These are in $5.99, same kind of thing. You got the printable, $2 off, $3 off. These are limited 1, but as I said, I did 5 transactions, so I was getting those all in. This one's probably unlimited. I don't know. You can print as many as you want on there. So pretty much all that. As I said, if you can't find this, which will be tough, you can always use this. You'll be well over $50 on that. So once again, paid to shop, $260.60 worth of goods. Paid to shop over $42. So basically a $300 savings. So, you know, please subscribe. This funny looking guy right here. More cool information right here. I've been doing this for 6 months, uploading a video on the first day of the sale, and every time paid to shop.